Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying device compatibility and current OS. Choose a VPN provider that lists servers in the country you need. This matters for latency and geolocation. Once chosen, create an account using a dedicated email, pick a plan, and enable two-factor authentication for security. Install the provider's app from the official store or the vendor's installer and sign in. This ensures you can proceed quickly to server selection without setup interruptions. You now configure the app, choose the exact country, and if available, a city-level server to optimize speed. Select a protocol. WireGuard gives faster throughput, while OpenVPN improves compatibility on older networks. Make sure you enable the kill switch to prevent leaks when the VPN drops, and turn on DNS leak protection so your DNS queries match the VPN route. If you only need some apps routed through the VPN, set up split tunneling. These steps control privacy and performance. You connect to the selected server and verify your new IP and reported location with a quick lookup. This proves the VPN is working. Test the services you need, streaming platforms, websites, or games, and measure latency to confirm acceptable performance. If pages block you or speed is poor, switch to a different server in the same country, change the protocol, or restart the app and device. As a key troubleshooting tip, clear DNS cache and rerun the IP check to resolve most common failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.